Thank you for viewing our website. Global IC Trading Group is a small, woman-owned business located in Southern California. The two principals of the company, Lori Leroy and myself, Paul Myers, have been in the electronics distribution industry since 1995. Global is both ISO 9001 and AS9120A certified. We founded our company with the core competencies of a commitment to quality and a dedication to customer satisfaction. We are one of the first independent distributors to invest heavily in a detailed inspection process using state-of-the-art equipment. Our processes begin by assessing and evaluating our suppliers prior to any purchases being made. We have 6 classification levels for approved suppliers, ranging from preferred, authorized, down to a new, higher-risk supplier. Suppliers must maintain a specific level of quality and on-time delivery for a minimum of 3 years before their approval status can be elevated. All suppliers are continuously monitored, and their industry behavior can be cause for a downgrade in their approval status or a disqualification. Our belief is that the inspection process begins with our supplier at the point of purchase. Our philosophy is to build long-term relationships with our OEM and CEM customers by presenting the most responsible offers on every quotation. We believe working with our customers, sharing unique capabilities, and discussing any potential risk, along with ongoing communication, is truly the best way to fight against counterfeit material entering the supply chain. We must work together to be successful. This industry is only as strong as its weakest link. All material is inspected in our ESD, ISO, and AS9120 certified lab. Once material is purchased and arrives, the initial inspection begins. The box is weighed and the weight is recorded. Product contents are photographed both while in the box and out of the box. Product labels, part markings, both front and back, are also photographed. The packing slip is compared to our purchase order for quantity, date code, and part number, and packaging is examined for both ESD and moisture sensitivity compliance. Quantities and packaging type are verified and documented. Upon completion of the initial inspection, a visual inspection based on 1010B is performed. This includes the following steps. Labels for manufacturer markings and/or logos are verified. Manufacturer part number, manufacturer, markings, consistent date codes, and lot codes are verified. The inspector ensures that all parts are oriented correctly within the packaging type. Product is inspected for signs of damage or rework. Part markings are reviewed to ensure parts have the same font, print color, and marking placement. The pin arrangement and pin count is also verified. The next step is to inspect product under a microscope where special lighting and holding devices are utilized. The inspector looks for bent, scratched, broken, dented, or missing leads, possibly indicating previous use or mishandling. Leads are inspected for consistency of gloss and shine, color, texture, and are not oxidized, tinned, or discolored and have no corrosion, solder, or other contamination. Leads are inspected for shear marks indicating new product. The surface of the parts are then inspected to ensure they have not been resurfaced and or restamped. They have no cracks, pull marks, heat sink markings, burn marks, stickers, glue, adhesive, or underlying etching. The inspector reviews part numbers to see if they are vivid versus blurry and the color on top and bottom of the part are consistent. The inspector then performs a mechanical verification of the part as compared to the manufacturer datasheet. This is done by verifying the physical characteristics of the part, such as dimensions, number of leads, and pin identifier. The date code as it relates to the end-of-life data is also verified. Next, the resistance to solvents testing is performed. An alcohol mineral spirit swab test is performed to see if part markings are removed. An acetone swab test on both top and bottom of part is done to test for blacktopping. Then, product goes through a surface abrasion or scrape test. This test is used to detect a coating on the surface of the part. Advanced inspection techniques are then utilized to further confirm the part's authenticity, which include XRF, X-ray, solderability testing, Dynasolve, and decapsulation. Product elements are analyzed through our Fisher Scope XRF machine, and our RoHS, lead-free, or leaded is verified based on manufacturer's datasheet and part number. X-ray analysis is performed to verify lead frames, die sizes, bond wire attachments, and consistency throughout a lot of product. A solderability test is then performed. Product is then soaked in a heated solvent called Dynasol for 45 minutes. This is a destructive test and analyzes for any possible resurfacing. The product is then decapsulated and cleaned in a sonic cleaner to reveal die markings and manufacturer logos, which are inspected under a high-power microscope. After product satisfies each and every step of our inspection process and is accepted, it is released for shipment to our customer. Product is packaged properly, utilizing ESD and humidity control materials and labeled according to our customer requirements. A detailed inspection report is included with the order and shipped off to the customer. Thank you for taking the time to view our inspection process and learn more about Global IC Trading Group. We welcome you or any member of your team to visit and assess our company at your convenience. We look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.